In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly translate web pages using Microsoft Edge's Immersive Reader feature. This is a super handy tool, whether you're learning a new language, planning a trip abroad, or just want to understand content in another language. Microsoft Edge has made this feature incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that language barriers don't hold you back from accessing the information you need. First things first, you'll need to identify the part of the web page you wish to translate. This could be as specific as a single paragraph, a single sentence, or as broad as the entire page, depending on your needs. By highlighting the desired section with your cursor, you're essentially marking the text for the Immersive Reader to zero in on. This step acts as your gateway to translation, focusing the tool exactly where it's needed. Once you've highlighted the text, the next step is to right-click on the highlighted section. From the options that appear, select Open Selection in Immersive Reader. Now, you might not always see this option directly, so if it doesn't appear right away, don't worry. It could be nestled under what's known as More Options. The Immersive Reader will then display your selected text in a distraction-free environment, making it more accessible and easier to focus on. With your text now in the Immersive Reader, look for the Reading Preferences. This is where you'll get to select your target language from a wide array of choices. It's pretty comprehensive, giving you the flexibility to pick the language that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, be sure to enable the option for Translate Entire Page. This will ensure that all the content is seamlessly converted into your selected language, giving you a full picture of the information in a language you understand. For those who prefer an auditory learning style or need to practice pronunciation, the Read Aloud feature is a fantastic tool to try out. By activating this feature, you can listen to the text being read in the translated language, which can be particularly beneficial for absorbing the linguistic nuances and improving your understanding. And just like that, you've successfully translated a web page using Microsoft Edge's Immersive Reader. With just a few straightforward steps, you can convert, comprehend, and even listen to content in another language with ease. This tool turns language barriers into bridges for learning and communication, empowering you to explore content from around the globe. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.